we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery on this key fob. Replacing the battery is very simple. First you flip out the metal key, and then on the back here, you see this back cover right here, this comes apart, and to take that out, you just use your thumb and you push right here, okay? So you push that. You gotta be careful. Alright, so you push that back and that comes off. Now here's the battery. You can see the battery is in there pretty tight. It's inserted at an angle. So what you'll do is you'll use a really small screwdriver or a pin or something small to just pry out this battery. And what you want to do is you come here, come towards the back, and then see if you can pop that up, okay? Okay. You can see that. I just pop right out. Now you do need to be careful. Don't push too hard so you don't damage the circuit board with your needle. Don't push down. That's not going to help. Take the new battery. Make sure the positive is facing you. This side is the negative, and this side is the positive. Okay, so you take it with the positive, you move it forward, and you press it down. It's going to try to pop up on the back here, but that's all you need to do. Just move it so it's on its position. So that's fine right there. And then what we'll do is we're going to press it in on the front first, and then on the back we just press it down, okay? So that's it. Simple.